So here we have the 2017 Suzuki SV650 original OEM foot pegs. This is the one from the right side of the bike. This is the one from the left side of the bike. The one on the right side of the bike also doubles as the exhaust mounting point. You can see that point right here. So in replacing the foot pegs with something that is not a foot peg, you have to provide the point to hang the exhaust from. So we ended up buying this kit from Evotech, and on this piece here you can see it's got that point for hanging the exhaust, and it attaches to the same points that the foot peg does. And here you can see it matches that form factor exactly, but is basically not a foot peg and does not include the luggage tie down points that you have from the original foot peg mount. And it is substantially lighter. On the left side of the bike, you remove the passenger foot peg, and what you end up with is the mounting points, which are a little bit unsightly. So most of the kits you can buy include a blanking plate just to cover that up, make it look a little bit tidier. So one of the reasons why this is so much lighter is that the original ones, as you can see from the adherence of the cat butt magnets, these are magnetic, so they're steel. And it explains why they feel so heavy, even though some of the construction is tubular and probably hollow. The aftermarket unit, which is a lot slimmer looking, is also not magnetic. As you can see, the cat butts don't stick to it, so that explains why these feel so much lighter. It's because they are lighter. So let's go ahead and do a weight measurement and see how much lighter they are. To weigh the passenger foot pegs in the blanking and replacement kit that they'll be replaced with, we're going to use this cheap hanging weight scale and a bucket. So I'm going to boot the scale up. It's ready when it says 0, and we're in the mode that reads pounds. So the next step is to hang the bucket from the hook. We'll have a weight measurement of the bucket. It's just over 0.9 pounds. And then we're going to tare the weight to calibrate out the weight of the bucket. Okay, so now we're ready. And I'm going to just toss both of the original 2017 Suzuki SV650 passenger foot pegs into the bucket and weigh their total weight. This is for both the right and the left sides of the bike. So we're at about 3.6 pounds. Okay, so let's prepare the bucket to weigh the blanking kit so that we can get a measurement of the thing that you have to add when you take away the foot pegs, so that we can figure out how much weight we actually saved. So both go in at the same time. Okay, so 0.72 pounds is the weight of the kit that replaces the passenger foot pegs, and the original passenger foot pegs were 3.6 pounds, so doing a little bit of quick math, you're saving about 2.9 pounds, just about a 3-pound weight savings. Nothing to sneeze at, but nothing to write home about either. I still think it's worth it based on just the look alone. The foot pegs are a little bit unsightly. If you don't need them, why keep them when you can replace them with something like this? I guess if you can't afford to buy the kit, that would be a good reason. So anyway, there you go. You saved just about 3 pounds by replacing the foot pegs.